So the boat's just dropped us off at the first island we visit, Manukan. And if I can set this up, I mean, look at this. Put it down there. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the beach paradise I was hoping for. And as my boat heads off, it is a bit more like a taxi and a shuttle service. Other boats turning in. This is what I could explore. There are trails that go into the mountains and the jungle, or whatever you want to call it. And almost certainly I'll have a look at that. The beach is to die for, as is the jetty. The sea, you don't have to go far to see fish. They're all around. And I've got one more, possibly even two if I have enough time, more islands to visit. Sugar me, something buzzed me there. Anyway, let's get to the beach. Well, still trekking through some beautiful jungle scenery on Manukan Island. You get some idea. I've gone off on one of the proper trails and fashioned myself a stick, and I've stopped because I hope it's still there. I've been walking through just up here. I approach very quietly. Isn't she a little beauty? That, I guess, is about 3 foot long. Let's see its face there. I meant to ask actually what the etiquette is for, do these things do mock charges, or? It seems very quiet. Almost as if it's asleep. But I suppose, aside from never turning your back on something like that, which I've just done, I'm really not sure. I don't want to disturb him, but I don't want to appear. The path is the only way that I can see. So, see, the path I need to go on travels up there. Let me think on this for a while, and I'll get back to you. So, about 10 minutes have passed, and I've been thinking a lot about this. There's no easy way to bypass this thing that's sitting in the middle of the trail. Well, there are easy ways, but they still take me within about 3 or 4 feet of it, which is probably a little bit too close. The alternatives are to, which is what I'm probably going to do actually, take a detour. He's looking at me. It's okay, boy. I'm not too close, but I am making at this point a hell of a lot of noise, I suppose. And I'm standing in thorns. Oy. I think he's okay. Oh, don't move. Hello. Yeah, if I look up that these things are pretty, are terrifying and you shouldn't go, and they bite or anything like that when I get home, I will be amazed that I've done this. But I do want to get to the top of the trail, which I've now managed to do. So, keep going through the jungle. He's eyeing me. He's been looking at me the whole time, but I I'd like to think that these little creatures, they know, they can work out the people who like animals like myself, and they leave us alone. And with that, back into the forest, and who knows what. But then, that's the beauty of a walk on the wild side like this. Oh, it's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Who needs beaches? And there's one of the most beautiful ones I've ever seen, literally about 600-800 yards away. And you have scenery like this, although of course, best thing is when you have both, which is certainly what I've got today. On through the jungle we go. Jungle walk continues, and I think I'm getting near to the end, but we are getting well off the beaten track, having to hack through. Not being a drama queen. Oh, it's all kinds of stuff to fight through. Then you get back onto the trail. But I'm thoroughly enjoying this. It feels like an adventure, and I think, yes, this is an adventure. There was a sign quite a while back now that said shelter at the end of the trail. Oh, butterfly. Big butterfly, that's huge. Oh, please stop. Oh, come on. Oh. Do you know, this is one of these days when everything is going right. Look at that beautiful butterfly. Hello. Where are you going? You can land on me if you like, I don't mind. No, he's off. And I nearly walked off the trail. It's so excited here. Duck down! Of course, me being me, I've got no water on me. I've got a sun hat, but I'm not going to wear it because it sweats too much. So I'm feeling it a little bit. Oh. What is going to be next? No, we're going on for a little bit longer, so sign off, and I'll hopefully speak again at the bottom, wherever this trail ends.